God. She defies the plan.
He's gonna hurt his teeth.
Shame you ain't got the silly string nail to shoot him while he's doing it.
I don't even get a rip in it.
You're such a girl. Look at Bear.
It's in his hair.
What?
What?
All the black stuff flying around landed in Nick's hair.
They did?
Shame it wasn't red and on fire.
Yeah.
No, because I can't get it.
It'd be the funnier part.
You don't brush it anyway. At least it'll get nice
No, he
and
says
short.
he's going to get a haircut this week.
Yeah. I know, it's sad, isn't
What type
Just a
of cut?
trim
it? Nikki, do you think... How...
Get
much
out
do you
of
want my
there.
haircut?
off,
Why?
What?
off, buzz cut.
I don't want to look like my brother.
Why
Then you'd
not?
be twins.
You already dressed like him.
Well, you look like your
He dresses
mother
like
right now, but
Yeah.
Danny, that's your brush.
That was my brush on the ground?
Yeah.
Yeah, I tried to toss it
threw
into
it.
the chair.
Bear's easy.
Fail. Got silly string in it.
Oh.
You can't even pull your hands out of that.
I hope you guys
Damn.
never get locked up with him, because then you'd be in trouble.